Matar Pulao recipe. Let's make 2 tablespoons oil, 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, add cinnamon sticks, cloves, black pepper, two small-sized tomatoes. Mix it well. Half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, one cup green peas. Don't skip the video, watch till end. One half cup soaked rice, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 cup water. Cover for until water dries. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add some biryani masala. Add to green chili. Add French fries. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. It's done. Must try this recipe. So yummy and tasty. Served with love. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe, comments.